Events like UC EXPO are so important to both customers and vendors.
You got all the vendors in the room, you got all the analysts here.
The energy, it's buzzing, it's fun.
I think about this industry as a bridge to the past, bridge to the future.
Applications like Teams, WebEx, even Amazon Chang, Google Hangouts are video-first applications that are adding voice.
You still have to be able to integrate with somebody who still wants to be able to dial a number.
The biggest changes are really around AI.
Cognitive collaboration, slipstreamed into the product without the user ever needing to lift a finger.
Auto framing and sound management.
Soon AI will be that perfect assistant to have you just join a meeting, fix your audio, fix your video, and bang, there you go.
The entire collaboration space is moving towards having ML and artificial intelligence layered in everything. It's going to take a leap forward.
I'm just here to find out more about what's going on in the market.
You can go and listen to the speakers tell you kind of strategic instructions, and then you can actually speak to the people on the stands.
And then there's the networking aspect. Going to have coffee with a couple of people. It's been good.
I'm really looking forward to future UC Expos to see how these trends manifest themselves.